Welcome to Tech Anime. Meet Lisa, Jennifer, and Lucy. No, they are not real people, but AI digital avatars. Let's find out how they are created using these AI websites. First up, Synthesia.io. Open Synthesia.io. Let's get started with a basic plan. Log in with your credentials. Complete your profile and preferences. Now, let's type in the speech prompt in the prompt bar. After you are done, hit Generate. Your AI talking head clip is completed. Now, let's download the clip. Let's watch Lisa speak.
Hey, I am Lisa. Hope you are doing fine. I am the talking head character, and do you want to know how I was created? Let's dive in.
Number 2, Vidnos.com. Open Vidnos.com. Get logged in. We can upload either a photo or use a realistic avatar to generate. We can choose any avatar from the list. Choose a transparent background for convenience. Let's type the speech prompt. Now, export the clip and download. Number 3, AIstudios.com. Open AIstudios.com. Get started for free. Sign up. You can check out the free credits on the left. All right, we will select an avatar from many options. We got one. As usual, we will fill the speech prompt in the prompt bar, export, and download the clip. Let's watch Lucy speak.
Hey, I am Lucy. I am a talking head character created by AIstudios.com. Have a good day.
Thank you. Please like, share, and subscribe.